At Vectra Mechanical, we take pride in turning challenging situations into reliable solutions for our customers. Recently, we responded to a call from a homeowner in Denver who had been struggling with a high-efficiency air-cooled chiller that just wasn't doing its job. Despite several attempts by another company to fix it, the system never managed to cool the home properly. When our technician arrived, it didn't take long to spot the problem. The chiller's fans weren't blowing hot air, a clear indication that something was wrong. Upon closer inspection, we found melted insulation, charred wiring, and even visible sparking. Both compressors had failed, leaving the system unable to function. Understanding the customer's frustration, we quickly sourced 2 replacement compressors and scheduled the repair within the same week. Our goal was to provide relief as soon as possible, and our team got to work right away. We started by safely draining the system's refrigerant, then moved on to repair the damaged wiring and replace the capacitors and contactors. After installing the new compressors, we carefully brazed copper connections and added new filter dryers, making sure the cabinet interior was protected from further heat damage. Once the installation was complete, we pressure tested the system and vacuum refilled the lines with the correct refrigerant. But we didn't stop there. Our technician discovered that some of the recently failed parts were still under warranty, which allowed us to save the customer the cost of a new compressor. In the end, we not only fixed the chiller, but also provided significant savings for the customer. Needless to say, they were thrilled to finally have reliable cold air in their home. So if you need dependable service from a team that truly cares, don't hesitate to call Vectra Mechanical today.